So you're traveling through London, your phone dies, and you realize you have no idea how to get back to your hotel. Or you're in New York, someone grabs your bag, and you freeze. You know you need to yell something, but what?
This is when English matters most. Not for posting on social media. Not for casual chats. For real emergencies. For your safety.
Today, we're teaching you the exact phrases native English speakers use when things go wrong. This is emergency English phrases that could save your trip, or even save your life.
Let's learn these right now.
Hey everyone! I'm James.
And I'm Sophie. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, we teach real English that actually works in everyday situations.
So today's lesson is serious and important. We're talking about emergency phrases.
These aren't phrases for fun conversations. These are phrases for when things go wrong, when you're lost, sick, in danger, or need urgent help.
You might never need them. Hopefully you never need them. But knowing them gives you confidence and keeps you safe.
We'll cover different emergency situations, getting lost, medical problems, theft, accidents, and general travel disasters.
For each situation, we'll give you simple, direct phrases that any English speaker will immediately understand.
Ready?
Let's go!
Basic emergency phrases. First, the most important phrases. Use these in any emergency.
Help! This is the universal emergency word. If you're in danger, yell it loud.
Help. Somebody help me. That's what you shout if something dangerous is happening.
I need help. This is calmer. Use this when you need assistance but it's not life-threatening.
Excuse me, I need help. That's polite, but still urgent.
Can you help me, please? Use this when asking a specific person for help.
Please help me. Simple, direct, and everyone understands it immediately.
These phrases work because they're short and clear. In emergencies, native speakers don't use complicated sentences. We keep it simple.
Say them out loud right now. Practice.
Help. I need help.
Good. Now let's get specific.
When you're lost. Getting lost is super common, especially in big cities.
First phrase, I'm lost. Short and clear.
I'm lost. Can you help me? This tells people exactly what you need.
Where am I? Point to your location on a map or just ask this question.
How do I get to? Then say the place name. How do I get to the airport? How do I get to Fifth Avenue?
Can you show me on the map? If you have a phone or paper map, hold it up and ask this.
I can't find my hotel. Use this when you're trying to get back to where you're staying.
Do you speak English? Ask this first to make sure the person can help you.
Can you write it down? If someone gives you directions but you don't fully understand, ask them to write it.
Native English speakers use these exact phrases all the time. They're natural and effective.
So when you're lost, I'm lost. Where am I? How do I get to? Can you show me on the map? Medical emergencies.
Medical emergencies are serious. Here's what to say.
I need a doctor. This is clear and urgent.
Call an ambulance. If it's serious, yell this to anyone nearby.
Where is the hospital? If you can still move, ask for directions.
I'm sick. Use this if you don't feel well.
I have pain here. Point to where it hurts.
My stomach hurts. My head hurts. My leg hurts. Be specific about the location.
I can't breathe. This is a serious emergency. Say it immediately if you're having trouble breathing.
I'm allergic to. Then say what you're allergic to. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to bees.
Doctors need to know this right away. It's critical information.
I need medicine. Use this at a pharmacy when you know what you need.
Medical phrases. I need a doctor. Call an ambulance. Where's the hospital?
I'm sick.
I have pain here. I can't breathe. I'm allergic to theft and crime.
Unfortunately, theft can happen anywhere. Here's what to say.
Call the police. Shout this if you witness a crime or if you're a victim.
Someone stole my bag. Someone stole my wallet. Someone stole my phone. Be specific about what was taken.
I've been robbed. Use this when reporting to police.
That's my bag. Shout this if someone is taking your things right now.
Stop. Thief. Yell this to get attention and help from people nearby.
Where is the police station? Ask this when you need to file a report.
I need to report a crime. Use this when you arrive at the police station.
Can I use your phone? If yours was stolen and you need to call someone urgently.
These are direct, no-nonsense phrases. Police and security understand them immediately.
Theft phrases, call the police. Someone stole my bag. I've been robbed. Where is the police station? I need to report a crime.
Accidents and injuries. Accidents happen. Here's what native speakers say.
There's been an accident. Say this to get immediate attention from anyone nearby.
Someone is hurt. Use this if someone else needs help urgently.
I fell. Simple explanation of what happened to you.
I think my arm is broken. I think my leg is broken. Be specific about the injury.
I'm bleeding. Show where the blood is coming from.
I need bandages. Ask for this at a pharmacy or from someone helping you.
Is there a first aid kit? Look for medical supplies nearby.
Can someone call my family? Give them your phone or a contact number.
Native speakers keep accident reports simple and direct. No complicated explanations, just the essential facts.
Accident phrases. There's been an accident. Someone is hurt. I fell. I think my arm is broken.
I'm bleeding.
I need bandages. Communication problems.
Sometimes the emergency is that you just can't understand what people are saying.
I don't speak English well. This explains why you might be struggling.
Can you speak slowly? Ask people to slow down so you can understand better.
I don't understand. Be honest when you're confused.
Can you repeat that? Ask to hear it again clearly.
Can you write it down? Written words are easier to process than fast-spoken English.
Do you speak? Then say your language. Do you speak Spanish? Do you speak Mandarin?
Is there a translator? Some places have translation services available.
Can you show me? Sometimes gestures and pointing work better than words.
These phrases help when language becomes the barrier. Native speakers understand communication struggles and will adjust.
Communication help. I don't speak English well. Can you speak slowly? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Can you write it down?
General travel emergencies. Here are phrases for other urgent travel situations.
I lost my passport. This is serious for international travelers.
Where is the embassy? You need your country's embassy if you lost important documents.
I missed my flight. Use this at the airport check-in counter.
My car broke down. Say this if you're stuck on the road.
I'm locked out. Use this if you can't get into your hotel room or rental car.
I need to contact my family when you urgently need to reach someone important.
Is there Wi-Fi here? You might need internet to communicate with people back home.
Can I charge my phone? A dead phone makes every emergency worse.
Travel emergencies. I lost my passport. Where is the embassy? I missed my flight. My car broke down. I'm locked out. Is there Wi-Fi here?
Emergency phone numbers. You need to know emergency numbers in English-speaking countries.
In the US and Canada, dial 911 for emergencies.
In the UK, Europe, and Australia, dial 112.
When you call, state your emergency clearly. I need an ambulance. I need the police. I need the fire department.
Then give your location. I'm at, and say the address or nearest landmark.
Stay calm. Speak slowly and clearly. Emergency operators are trained to help you.
Save these numbers in your phone before traveling. It's essential. How to get attention in emergencies.
In an emergency, you need people to notice you quickly.
Make eye contact. Look directly at someone nearby.
Wave your arms if needed. This shows urgency.
Raise your voice. Don't whisper. Speak loud and clear.
Say excuse me, first to be polite, then immediately state your emergency. Excuse me. I need help.
Don't be embarrassed or shy. Your safety is way more important than feeling awkward.
Most people want to help. When they see someone genuinely in trouble, they respond quickly.
Native speakers appreciate directness in emergencies. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Clarity matters most.
Let's recap everything fast.
Basic help phrases. Help. I need help. Can you help me, please?
Lost phrases, I'm lost. Where am I? How do I get to?
Medical phrases. I need a doctor.
I'm sick.
I have pain here. I'm allergic to.
Theft phrases, call the police. Someone stole my bag. I've been robbed.
Accident phrases. There's been an accident. Someone is hurt.
I'm bleeding.
Communication phrases, I don't understand. Can you speak slowly? Can you write it down?
Travel emergencies. I lost my passport. My car broke down. I'm locked out.
Emergency numbers, 911 in the US and Canada. 112 in the UK and Europe.
Stay calm.
Speak clearly. People will help you.
These phrases are simple and direct, exactly how native speakers talk in real emergencies.
That's it for today. Serious topic, but super important.
Your homework, write down these 5 phrases and keep them in your wallet or save them in your phone. Help. I need help. I'm lost. I need a doctor. Call the police.
If this video helped you, hit like and share it. This could genuinely help someone in a real emergency.
Subscribe for more practical English lessons that actually work in real-world situations.
Stay safe out there. We hope you never need these phrases, but now you're prepared.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.